Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Thompson of drlisamthompson.com, and in today's video I want to share with you why it's important for you to be doing a personality assessment before you begin promoting your products or services, whether you're in affiliate marketing or network marketing or direct selling. Now, the reason for this is very, very simple. What we need to do for successful online marketing is that we need to build an audience and engage our audience before we sell to our audience. So with that said, it means that we need, as part of audience building and engagement, we need to know who we are and what are our unique gifts, talents, and abilities. And we need to be able to communicate that into our target market and match it to what their unique gifts, talents, dreams, and fears are. Okay, that's something I learned from Frank Kern, is that we can't communicate at people. We have to learn to communicate into people, because people like those who are like themselves. So in order to get to that target market that we're spending time working on and studying, we need to know who we are and to see if our personalities are going to match who we are marketing to. So some of the ones that I recommend would be, and I'll put the links in the video description. One is from Tony Robbins. He has a free assessment and it's called the DISC. Then there's also the myers-briggs, excuse me, and then there's the Wealth Dynamics. And so you want to, I'll put those links into the comment section of the video so you can go check them out. They're free personality assessments. There is a fee if you want something that goes a little bit more detailed. But what this is going to do, it's going to give you an idea of your values, your beliefs, your traits, and then how you can structure products and offers and how you're going to be able to communicate into your target market. Okay, and here's the thing: when you're developing this target market and you know who you are and what you're about, that's going to help you clarify who your target market is. Because really, when you're developing your target market, it doesn't need to be such a huge, broad niche. Okay, so if we did like weight loss, for example, weight loss in itself is a huge, broad niche. Maybe you're going to be focusing on is going to be those first-time moms who are looking to lose that baby weight. Okay? Or you're looking at that middle-aged woman who just found out she's type 2 diabetic and she needs to lose weight to keep her blood sugars down. Okay, so you just need to have just a small little market to focus on in the beginning. And Seth Godin, in this book, This is Marketing, if you haven't read that book, I really recommend that you go and do that, because effective marketing is being able to tell a story and to build and to market to a small segment where you want to build up 1,000 true fans. Okay, that's what's going to get you the success. You don't have to sit there and try to appeal to everybody. So keep that in mind. Go do that personality assessments. Pick one of those that I suggested. I've got the links in the video description here. Go check that out and see where you fall. And then when you're starting to put together your offer and how you're going to talk to people, how you're going to create your content to serve your market, you're going to be able to learn how to communicate into that market. Because remember, people buy from those who they know, like, and trust, and people like those who are like themselves. So if you got value today, leave a comment and share. And if you want more tips and strategies on how to build a full-time income while working part-time, get on my newsletter. Go to workwithdrlisathompson.com. Give me your best email address, and I'll start sending those updates to your email box right away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.